Xugong Machinery is a foreign trade company, which is a leading supplier of excavator parts with more than 15 years industry experience in China. And today, I'm coming to Xugong Machinery Limited Corporation for visit their warehouse and the company. In the next part, I'm going to show you more detail of this company.
We supply all types of excavator parts. Our main products include excavator hydraulic parts, excavator engine parts, excavator swing bearing, and so on. We have the industry knowledge and connections that you need for quick quality service. We provide a customer satisfaction guarantee on all our products.
Now let's move to our office area. We work very close so that we can communicate with each colleague very efficiently to solve problems for clients.
Our well-trained team of customer service professionals are experts in the industry and can give you the information you need to make your next purchase. Our goal is to exceed your expectation for quality, service, and excellence.
Here is our warehouse. We have 3 different kinds of warehouse dedicated to storing the products. In the next part, I will invite our manager to introduce our hot sales items products to you. Welcome to our manager, Sophia. Hello.
Hello, Alan. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce to you 3 new products. The first one is swing motor for 200. And the second one is for TM40, which is used for Hyundai 210, 290. And the third one is for hydraulic pump K5V200. It's for Volvo 460 and 480.
So Sophia, you have introduced 3 types of this product to us. So I'm wondering what the advantage of this product?
The main advantage of product is the stable quality and high performance and affordable price.
Okay, so what are the main markets of your company?
We have sold to all around 180 countries, and some of our customers have worked with us more than 10 years.
Wow, that's so great.
Yes.
So, by the way, I'm wondering how many days that I will receive the goods after I order?
Well, usually when you order from us, we can do the same-day delivery. We will receive the payment. Because we have around 3,000 parts in stock, so you can rest on us.
Wow, what a huge product it is. So Sophia, what the manufacturing technique of this product? Could you give me a brief introduction?
Yes, for sure. We have 4 advantages of the swing bearing. The first one, all swing bearing use material of 42 CRMO iron. Secondly, strictly control of the quality in all aspects to ensure that each swing bearing is in good quality condition. The third one, quenching depth is 3.5 mm or more. 4. Roller hardness above 55 HRC. Tooth hardness above 60 HRC.
So another key point that I have to mention about this, how can I make sure the products are in good condition when I receive it?
Well, we have 2 packing, like nylon packing and wooden box packing. That depends on your request, so we can do at your request to make sure that you receive the parts safely in your warehouse.
So Sophia, as a consumer, I'm wondering how can I order from you?
Well, that's a good question. Usually, you can give me information like OEM part number or model number, so I can quote you quickly. If you give me information like how many teeth, how many holes, the inner diameter and the outer diameter and the inner height, outer height, so we can double confirm to make sure that you receive the parts correctly.
Xugong Machinery provide high quality aftermarket or OEM excavator engine parts. And here, we would like to introduce to you our top running engine line kit for Komatsu PC2007. PC2007 excavator engine liner kit include 6 pieces of piston, 6 pieces of piston ring, 6 pieces of liner, 6 pieces of piston pin, and camshaft bushing. If you want to order to me, please give me the OEM part number of the piston, or you can show me the picture of the piston. The other way to give you a quickly offer is by the model number of the excavator. So, what are you waiting for? Please send to me the model number or OEM part number, so that we can get you quickly.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.